Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It is called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. Also, the thumbs up pillow is to remind me to tell you guys it is important, and I truly do appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up underneath this video. What it does is you will see the number change and then it'll turn blue. And that means that your number has been accepted into the thumbs up. And what that ends up happening for me is that YouTube will check and see how many thumbs up there are. And if there is a certain number, I don't know what that number is, that YouTube will then put my video in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they like this type of content. So thank you in advance for doing that for me. That's really going to help me out. So thank you. Thumbs up. Okay. Today we are going to be going through an item that I got through the IPSY shopper. If you are not familiar with the IPSY shopper, I talk about it every time I do an IPSY bag. I always tell everybody that if you're going to start with a bag, the bag that I always recommend that you start with is the IPSY $12 bag. The reason being, it's a 5 sample bag for $12, and it also comes with a cosmetic bag, and you get to choose one of the items in the choice in that $12 bag. So you get the feeling of the luxury of all the other bags, but you start with the 5 sample bag. They also sometimes put a full size in there as well. So there's always something fun, but it gets you into the add-ons after you do your choice. There's usually a flash sale, which is also a fantastic sale. But what I wanted to tell you guys was the deal I got today was in the shopper. So also, if you do reviews, you also get points, and those points also get you free products. So to me, the best way to start is with the IPSY $12 bag if you're not into subscription bags, because it opens up your whole world into IPSY. And IPSY has some fantastic deals like the shopper. The shopper is a place that I love to visit. Every day at 9 o'clock, they put a new item into the shopper. It could be a bundle, it could be one product, but it's always at a really discounted price. And every day they add another one, and then that one goes down the list. So when I purchased this one, it started on the 7th day, which means there were 7 more days. If it would move, if there was still anything available, there would be 6 days left, then 5 days left. And they do that because every day they add a new one. So it's always a great idea to check, because sometimes they do sell out, but if they don't, you usually have a week to make up your mind if that's what you want, if you know, things like that. So I love checking out the shopper. So the one that I got today was a lip kit, and I'm so excited to share this with you because when I opened it up, because I always open up my parcels prior to make sure everything is in there, nothing damaged, and we take a picture, and then I sit here on YouTube and I sit and play and start playing with the products. So what happened was we received a box like this, and I assumed it was, you know, the plus, but I already got my plus and posted it, so I couldn't understand. And it came in this beautiful, beautiful condition. We opened it up, and it was the lip kit, which I'm so excited to be able to share with you. And it came with the cutest bag. And IPSY does, I think, some of the cutest bags, and they're good quality. This is a really nice leatherette type of bag, which will be easy to clean. The zippers on these are fantastic. I just love their bags, and their bags are never part of the count of products that you're getting. It's always a bonus. So that's the first thing here. I only paid $17 for this kit, and it has a value of just under $60, and it ships free and it ships separately. So everything is like a win-win-win for me. All right, so let me go through some of the products that we got in here, because I think I'm so excited to share this with you. I cannot believe I paid $17 for this. So I want you to also check the shopper and see if it's still available. But like I said, if it's not this kit, there'll be some other ones, and they're just fantastic. So the first item that's in here is a brand that I fell in love with, and I got introduced through IPSY. It is a lipstick from the brand called Belle En Argent. All of their packaging is stunning. This is their sample, which I think their deluxe sample size. First of all, it came in a full retail box. I love when samples come or deluxe samples come because you are getting the feel of the luxury of the full size of this, and their brand is luxury. The full size lipsticks from this brand are around $20. This is how gorgeous the packaging is on this one, and this is what the color looks like here. Let me just read you a little bit about it. It says, this one is from Belle En Argent. It is a lipstick in I'll Bring Dessert. It is a berry mauve made with argan, sunflower, and jojoba oil. It is a creamy lip color that will coat your lips in hydration and soften and nourish them. And it truly is. They are like this matte color, but they go on so creamy. It truly does nourish your lips. And that's how dark it looks in the tube, but that's how beautiful the color is here. And like I said, the packaging of this and the fact that it's a smaller size, it fits in your pocket. I just think this is fantastic. And this one, the color is I'll Bring Dessert. The next one is from Ciate London. And if you know me, I love Ciate London. I got introduced to Ciate London also through IPSY with a loose powder. And then I ended up buying another kit just so that I can, through the shopper, that I was able to get another one of the loose powder. And then they came out with one that they call Vacay, Everyday Vacay, and that has a coconut scent to it, and it is fantastic. Their packaging is always amazing, but their products are just as good as the packaging. And I just think I got in a BoxyCharm in July the spray that is coconut, and it smells divine also. So this is the product from Ciate London. It is a mini, and it is called the Lustre, and it's in the color Call Me. It is a transparent rosy shade that looks good on everyone. There is no sticky feel here. It is a vitamin E infused gloss. It's moisturizing, yet it won't catch your hair in the wind, which I'm sure that has happened to every girl that has long hair. And that's what the color looks like here. And it is like a clear gloss with a hint of pink. It is really that perfect summertime gloss. That's what that looks like there. Okay, all right. The next item we got was from the Balm, and their packaging is like the cutest. And this one here says it is a creamy lip stain in Konnichiwa. It is a warm peachy terracotta shade that flatters so many skin tones. It is a unique formula that starts off as a gloss, then dries to a stain, and delivers the color payoff of a highly pigmented lipstick. Wow, this little guy says it does a lot. And that's what the wand looks like here. And we're gonna just do a swatch right beside. Also a fantastic shade. The shades in this are perfect, all right? That's what that looks like here, and that's how cute the packaging is, all right? The next item, I cannot believe, is the Huda Beauty, and it is a full size here. And this isn't a mystery bag. You will know exactly which products are coming in here, and I am so happy that this is in here. This is the matte lipstick in Girlfriend. They're saying it is a pretty light apricot nude. It is a hydrating formula that coats your lips in moisture and stays put from breakfast until dinner with no flaking or fading. And this is a $20 value on its own. This whole kit, including the bag and the shipping, to me was $17. That's what I mean by the shopper. It is just fantastic. So this is what the wand looks like here. And yeah, it's that beautiful, beautiful color. It's more of a brownie nude than an apricot. I thought it would be more peachy, but I think this is really beautiful. And like I said, this is the Huda Beauty, and it is the liquid matte. Perfect. All right. And then the last item that we got in the box was from Morphe. Also came in a full retail box. And this is one of their lip crayons. And this is what it looks like here. And then when you open her up, she looks like that. Really, really beautiful color. And this one is in the color NSFW. It is a ballet slipper pink shade. The application of this crayon is very easy, making it great for makeup, an amateur or an experienced makeup artist. So this is what this one looks like here. And it is going on so creamy, and it is so beautiful. Look at that color. That is so me. Oh, this is going to be at the front of the drawer. This is just beautiful. And then this is the type that you twist up and twist down. You don't have to sharpen this at all. So this is fantastic to even leave in your purse and take with you anywhere. This is just fantastic. So just to recap, I think this is absolutely fantastic. So we got in the full retail box the most beautiful packaging from Belle En Argent, and their packaging is always stunning. Their larger ones have more of a disco type of packaging. Actually, it looks like their packaging, you see on the bottom here, their whole tube that's here has no design on it, has that design all over it. It's very Art Deco. It's just beautiful. So that's the first item. The second item we got was from Ciate London. It is the lip Lustre. Then we got from the Balm, and this one was the one that turns into a stain. Then we got the full-size Huda Beauty in a matte lipstick. And then finally we got the Lip Crayon from Morphe. So that's everything here, plus this fantastic lipstick bag. $17, free ship to my door. Fantastic. So want to make sure that you guys know to check out that shopper. I want to make sure that you guys understand from me how I fell in love with IPSY and how much IPSY does for us, from the add-ons to the flash sales to, they have sometimes in the middle of the month they'll do a pop-up sale, but their kits are really, really fantastic. And on top of it, their bag that you can get for $12 a month, I think has, for me, always been a winner. But I wanted to share that with you guys, okay? All right, that's it for today's video. I just want to tell you guys how much I really do appreciate that you take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you very much for that. But more importantly, I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well, because if we don't have our health, then all of this you can't enjoy. So everyone, continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.